The Ouray ice park is predominantly man-made. So what they do is they actually have little shower sprinkler heads and they spray the water every night. And then they cut it off in the daytime for the climbers to come in so they don't get too wet. I just got to the top of this route. An interesting spot within the Ouray Ice Park. Very narrow canyon and beautiful coloration of the ice. And to be honest, nobody comes here and climbs it. Shh, don't tell anybody. But the ice stays really natural-like. Very good shape. It's not all picked out and hooked out like a lot of the routes in the ice park. So it's a cool experience for a lot of people here. It starts out down low in the snow by some water, and it starts off kind of steep on these bright yellow ice hummocks. So you're kind of hooking through these things. It's a little unnerving because you're not sure if they're gonna pop off or not. And getting protection on this route down below is a little interesting too because of those ice hummocks, kind of the chandelier formation of the ice. And they make it really difficult to get good protection in. So you end up having to kind of beat it up a little bit, clear out a nice little pocket, and then you can drill a screw. Hey Andres, you're on belay! And my super cool climbing partner is getting ready to come up and join us, and then we're probably going to be out of here for the day.